How to replace a Human Touch WholeBody ROVE Backrest Actuator. You will need a 5mm Allen wrench, wire cutter, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, remove the tablet from the tablet holder, then pull up on the tablet holder to remove it. Place both items on the chair seat. Now, gently tip the chair onto its right-hand side. Using a 5mm Allen wrench, remove the 2 screws that secure each of the 2 rear mounting brackets. Remove the 2 metal brackets from the rear of the actuator. Next, cut the zip ties that secure the actuator cables to the chair frame. Cut the 3 zip ties that secure the actuator cables to the other cabling. Cut the zip tie that secures the 2 sides of each actuator connector together, then disconnect the connectors. Now, remove the clip that secures the pin at the front of the actuator, then push the pin upward to remove it. Finally, cut the zip tie that secures the actuator cables to the front of the chair frame, then remove the actuator from the chair. To install the new actuator, place it into position, aligning the front and rear mounting points. Then, replace the pin and clip to secure the front of the actuator. Next, install a new zip tie to secure the actuator cables to the front chair frame. Cut the excess zip tie. Now, connect both actuator connectors to the corresponding connectors on the chair, matching by color. Install 2 new zip ties to secure the 2 sides of each connector together. Cut the excess zip ties. Next, gather the actuator cables and connectors with the cable bundle, then install 3 new zip ties to secure it. Cut the excess zip ties. Now, install 2 new zip ties in a crisscross pattern to secure the cable bundle to the chair frame. Cut the excess zip ties. Align the rear mounting points, then replace the metal brackets and screws to secure the actuator to the chair. Gently return the chair to the upright position. Align the flat side of the tablet holder with the flat side of the bracket, then push firmly downward to secure it. Place the tablet into the holder. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.